Okay. Now, final is the part 3 video. While I was doing this, I was making sure I'm test running it. Ran, we good. Okay. Now we got all that taken care of. Now it's actually time to put the whole machine back together. And we're gonna give it a test run at the end. So I'm gonna put the hood back on. Well, first off, I'm gonna put this upper holder on. So upper holder. Put this back on. So this is the upper hose 1 holder, and then you have the bottom end where your hose goes in, and your 2 extension ones, telescopic ones. Okay. Make sure that's torqued. Okay. Now put the hood back on. Yep. Oops. Gotta be careful with my surround sound speakers in my bedroom. Got to smack the front part with the handle. So do this, make sure, check for torqued. Cool. Alright. Okay. Look at the gas. Put this lower piece on, this bottom holder. That's torqued. Okay, cool. Don't want to scrape no screw. Alright. Now, I gotta vacuum this out. Vacuum this part of this out. Okay, I'll grab the rag, wipe this bad boy out. Now, you know, y'all have troubles having issues struggling changing your belt, I'll show you how to do that as well. Because while some people like don't know how to change belts, people have a hard time. That's what I'm here for, to help. I'm a superhero. So, okay. Go ahead and put these screws back in. And we're talking about these screws right here. These screws right here to hold the hood in. Place. I'm gonna move it over here. Okay. Right here is where people tend to struggle, like they don't know how to change the flat belt, the belts. The only belt I actually just change out is only belt I actually change out. The only time I change out two belts, if I was to put a brand new brush roll in, which I don't need to do right now. So I'm gonna show you how to change the belts. So we're trying to look for the here's the V belt. Yep, V belt is to drive this brush roll, because there's a groove right here on this brush roll. Right here, groove right here, groove right there. You can totally see that the brush roll, the belt has worn down some, but still gonna have a little bit of tension left. So, which follows by the groove right here. Use this flathead screwdriver as a pointer. This is where your V belt goes around this. Goes around this. And you guys gotta always pay attention to this. Always pay attention to this. This piece right here. This is the idler arm with the tensioner pulley. And how this works. This idler arm is held in, is tensioned by a torsion spring that sits in the pocket of the housing. So what happens is when your vacuum, see the handle, oh, the disc is disengaged. So I guess I don't know if I said that right. If it's disengaged, if the handle's up, the brush roll is off. When the handle is down, the brush roll turns on. So pretty much, yeah, it's engaged. So when the vacuum is up, is the arm is the idler arm is disengaged when it's up. I guess it's no, I guess yes. I don't know if I said that right. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. So anyway, your V belt goes in first before you put the flat belt on, because you want to make sure that your brush roll needs to spin, needs to turn. And so most likely this. So your V-belt goes in like that over the brush roll. And then also, another thing you guys want to make sure, these brush rolls have end caps with one rounded end for the, so where your V-belt is going to have that rounded end is going to go on the non-slot. And the slot spot right here, slotted. So make sure you install it on the correct orientation, correct side. So belt goes in, lines up. Okay. Tension. Make sure this is torqued. Okay. Now we are replacing the flat belt. New flat belt. And what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna take the Sharpie marker, and I'm going to write a happy face on this. The reason why I do that because the belt loved it when I changed them. He's happy, so yeah. Put a little smiley face on him. I don't know if you can see it. Put a little smiley face on there. Okay, so what happens is, what you're gonna see me do. Matter of fact, I'm yep. Take your new flat belt and put it on the motor shaft, because the motor is going to do all the work. Not only are you gonna have it to blow air and exhaust air out. Okay. I don't know what I just did, but it didn't sound right. Walk it on using 2 fingers to get that on. Because people have a hard time getting that on. Should look like. Okay. Right. Cool. Now, bottom plate has been washed and everything, so get the bottom plate back on, and then plate screws. And that's all. And get this bad boy up and running before I end the video, this service and repair video. Okay. Gotta put all attachments all back on. Okay, cool. Put it in the middle. Okay. Vacuums up. It's halfway done. I'm just gonna do a clean up. Wipe him down. So yeah, because he's all dirty. I've been using it. I'm gonna put a service sticker on there. This got service back in let's see, July, August, September, October. So 3 months. It got service in 3 months. Back there. So 3 months back. So. What's up?
What's wrong with this door?
Huh? Oh, the rubber mallet. Sorry.
Get out the way.
Yes, sir. Here.
This is what's up.
Here. I got it. Thought I'm gonna be sleeping on the floor tonight.
Didn't do me no good to fold it.
Look, come look. I'm gonna sleep on the floor. I'm using it. Pops, I'm doing a repair video. Okay. It'll wipe down good.
Those shoes that's out there on the floor, if you don't want them, put them in the trash can. Those black and white.
Okay.
Got all the black pair. You get a chance to put them in the trash.
Alright.
You can use those big stickers if you want to.
Okay, I got
Put
one.
a price.
I got one. I'm not selling this right now.
Well, whatever you're gonna sell, you can take the big sticker and put a price on it and line them up out there on the front porch.
It's a service sticker.
And you'll sell some of them.
This is a service sticker. Serviced. In fact, I'm gonna take this off. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna put this on serviced. Today it's the 16th, so yeah. So you already know. I was gonna say 20th. 2020. Okay, so ouch. And how to change your filter. Put your new filter in. Grab one of these or the washable filters you use, or to reuse, or to wash them new. So this is in. It's brand new. These are all white. Hasn't been used. It's like I do this with AC unit filters as well. 16th, 2020. It is 2020. Put that in. I don't think I got that in. Okay, I guess it don't want to go in, so hey. There you go. All right. Okay. All attachments back on. I don't know what happened to the hose in. Oh wait. Hose over there. Yeah, hose is right here. All right. And that's how you service U6436. They made so many of these. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Thumbs up if you like it. Stay tuned for more.